We load the Mosaic from the US project into OrthoVista. By default, the Mosaic is stored in your project folder with the name mosaic.tif. We go to the project dialog, and in the images tab we are loading here a single image, and we navigate to our project folder of UASMaster. We select the mosaic.tif and open it, and we can then go to the next tab, which is called Tiles. OrthoVista offers a tile definition file which can split the Mosaic into multiple files. At the moment we have this as our Mosaic, and we want now to create a tile definition in this example where we split it into 4 tiles. We will create a new tile by clicking here Create a new TSP file definition, and we will give a name to the file which has the extension TSP. By default we can here now enter a reference point, or we can click into OrthoVista. I will click here in the lower left corner, and then when we go to the dialog we see the coordinate taken. Our project here is about 230 by 230 meters, so I will here put 115 to 115 as a tile size, and then it will automatically look at the pixel position here so that it's really in the center of the pixel and not only cutting somehow a pixel in the wrong way. When we apply, this tile definition will be used with the tile count. So I will here not go to the south, but to the north, and when I apply, then we see now here the blue tile definition. I can extend it to the north by 1 and to the east by 1, and when we apply we can now see our 4 tiles. By default OrthoVista calls them 11, 12, 21, 22 and so on. If I want to give the tiles individual names by coordinates, I can use the name pattern. And here I can make a pattern definition. I can say I want to use the x coordinate, upper left coordinate. Then I want to add a text field in between, which is perhaps an underscore. And then I can add the y coordinate to it. And then using this definition now, we can apply it, and then we see that the naming now for the tiles is using the x and y coordinate from each tile lower left coordinate. Next we need to activate the tiles, so we select them here, and we can select here mark selected tiles for output. They become green when this button here is activated, and that's it. Now we can go to the process. We can say begin processing. We define an output folder. I will call it here tiling, and then we can define our output format. TIFF as tile TIFF or scanline, uncompressed, compressed. Then the output reference as a world file or GeoTIFF. And then we don't want to apply single image adjustment and group adjustment, because UASMaster, when you have used it here for Mosaic, the TIFF has already applied a group adjustment, so we don't need to do it again. And we will not generate seam lines, we will just save the Mosaic output. And that's it. We can close and process, and then we have now here our new mosaics with the separate tiles generated. So let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the result. I open a new OrthoVista, and here I load now the images from the output folder. Selecting the output folder loads the 4 tiles that I generated, and now we can see that they represent the same area, but of course they are here as 4 separate files, so we can also of course then visualize them individually and see them here as individual tile. Okay, we hope this helps you to use OrthoVista for tiling your mosaic into smaller TIFFs. Have fun and goodbye.